Welcome to a new series of StarLink Leadership Connection. I hope this finds you well. Today we have a dear guest to StarLink, Mr. Migally from Riverbed, who is our guest for today's series. And it's a pleasure to have you today with us, Mena. As I shared with you, in light of our FY21 strategy, StarLink Connect, it is about connecting the partner, the customer, and the vendor through business intelligence. StarLink has invested heavily in business intelligence, and also part of the business intelligence, besides what we capture from the market through our BDMs and account managers and product managers and channel managers, also the pulse of the market through our vendors and our partners, which we are addressing in this series. So before I start, I wanted to actually congratulate you for your recent promotion to a vice president. Well deserved, and we wish you all the best in your new mission. I think this will be a great opportunity for the audience to learn more about how do I become a vice president? How do I get promoted? Any career advice for the audience from your team, our team, and our extended teams in the market? I believe for a successful person like you, to give them an advice will be a value add for them.
Thank you, Zaidun, so much for this opportunity. It's always great to be with you here in StarLink, and we have one of the greatest relationships and a great partnership that is very dear to us. And again, thanks for this opportunity to speak a little bit about that, and thanks for the congratulations. With regards to career advancement, I'll speak purely from experience and rather not from courses. I believe having strong values and sticking to them is the core foundation of being genuine and being trustworthy. And I believe with that, there needs to be a great level of communication. Communication not only upwards, but also communication with colleagues, with partners, with the entire ecosystem, if you may, in order to instill those values and ensure that this is the foundation of how you deal with different people. And I truly believe in that as a key reason why I was blessed with these career advancements as we discussed. That is, besides definitely hard work, ensuring that you deliver on your promises, and that is always part of the trustworthiness that everyone should strive for.
Thank you, Mena. Well deserved. How do you see us working together as Riverbed and StarLink team in FY21? Post the pandemic, which is hopefully behind us now, so how do you see the market opportunity and the dynamics of the market in light of the reprioritization that happened actually on the customer agenda, where a lot of technologies which was nice to have became mandatory and must have?
Well, that's a great question, Zaidun. I think there's a couple of points over here. First of all, the role of the channel post-pandemic is even much more important, in my opinion, because today customers want the channel, or want the people who are selling to them, to be aware of the business value that truly needs to be delivered through these solutions, who will translate technology into business outcomes. And this is where the channel needs to come in to put in the different pieces of technology in order to achieve those business outcomes. From a Riverbed point of view, we fit perfectly in the priorities that our customers want. First of all, from a visibility point of view. Today, with the pandemic, we were in a rush to get things started, to be connected, to be able to do our work. And all our customers figured out that without proper visibility, they were unable to know what needs to be enhanced, whether fixed or improved. And this is where our performance visibility suite today came in handy to a lot of our customers, and we were able to generate a lot of interest as well as a lot of opportunities that is currently in the pipeline. So, and that solidifies that the importance of performance monitoring and especially network performance monitoring as we speak. On top of that, we fixed some of the issues or challenges that they were able to see, like working from home or working from anywhere because it's no longer only home. How can I guarantee the performance? How can I guarantee that I achieve office-like performance from a laptop that is connected from the next door coffee shop? This is where our application acceleration products and solutions come in handy, and we've seen a major interest and a major uptake in these solutions to ensure that the end users and the customer satisfaction and experience is maintained regardless of location. I could be sitting in a coffee shop, I could be sitting in the office, and I maintain the same user experience. So we play in both, and we're able to provide our channel partners today the capability to build that right business value along with neighboring solutions in order to achieve the outcomes that our customers are looking for today.
How do you see the role of the channel, distributors and partners complementing the Riverbed story with different solutions? Today, the cybersecurity market alone has probably 3,000 different vendors. If you add to it the cloud and data center, we're talking the thousands as well. So it's really confusing for the customers to pick and choose the right solutions, let alone making the solutions to work seamlessly together. This is where the solution integration becomes key. So how do you see the technology partnerships of Riverbed playing a critical role with someone like StarLink, who has a vast portfolio in different technologies and different avenues of the landscape that can help complement your solution and deliver a business outcome for those customers?
Another great question, and building on what I was talking about in the previous question, today the translation to business outcomes needs to happen at the channel ecosystem, whether from distribution or the partners who are facing the customers. Today, while we as Riverbed maintain strong technology alliances across the entire world and even regionally, just naming a few like Microsoft and many others around the region today, the partner and the distributor, because of the vast solution set that they hold, are able to work out a bundle kind of solution, not only from a commercial point of view, but as you rightly mentioned, an integrated solution that technically provides value and as well provides the business outcome that is required. And we are working with StarLink and the technology team in order to build such solution sets that today, whether working with VPN technologies, whether working with packet analysis and packet forwarding kind of technologies, we are able to then build a solution that is interesting and is required by the customers today, and we're looking forward to building even more with you.
That's great. Again, before we close, I wanted to share with the extended team about StarLink initiative around connecting the partner, customer and vendor, being an extension of the vendors, which is why we're investing in our sales enablement. And the sellers of StarLink will be fully trained by next week on Riverbed technology, and this is our commitment to you, which I believe will give us the kind of the momentum we're looking for as we go and build the pipeline those coming few months and start the year FY21 on a high.
That is an amazing initiative, and thank you for having me, and thank you for this amazing initiative. Definitely we look forward to StarLink being our extended arm across the markets that we're working together on.
Thank you, Mena. Take care.